Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum. This is Arif. In this video we are going to talk about the recent operation done by the Indian forces inside Pakistan and Pakistan's response. The Indians have named this Operation Sinduri, and in that they tried to focus on some educational institutions which are inside Pakistan and tried to hit those. I mean, civilian people usually work there, and in order to attack them, and that also in the night is actually a very cowardly kind of a thing. I mean, I remember that every time the Indians have struck inside Pakistan, airstrikes they did or whatever in the past, they always tried to use the night and its darkness. I mean, thieves and the robbers usually work in the nights, not the security people or police. And I have seen that every operation done by Pakistan against India was in the daylight, like the police works. So the Indians have named this Operation Sinduri, and Sinduri has actually become Tandoori. And why I am saying it, because 5 Indian chickens, like the jets of their air force, have been shot down by Pakistan in retaliation. 3 of those have been told that those are Rafales, and one was Su-30 MKI and one was MiG-29, and these are actually the top of the line jets. And I won't wonder that if it was actually the Pakistani F-16s which did this job. To me, as far as Pakistan has those F-16s, India should not dare to attack Pakistan, because they would lose every time. I mean, Rafales and Typhoons and J-10s are actually very good jets, but they resemble actually the clubs, like top of the line clubs like AC Milan or Barcelona, where people like Messi or Ronaldo or Mbappe play. But even if these players play in those clubs, they can't compete with the national teams like Germany, France, Spanish national teams. So the F-16s and F-15s are like that. There is a huge gap between F-16 and F-15 and the jets like J-10, Rafales and Typhoons. I mean, F-15s and F-16s are like complete systems. I mean, the way you would see the coaching staff of an international team, whether it's a cricket team of India, Pakistan, Australia, or a soccer team of Germany, Spain or Italy or whatever. So the clubs like Delhi Daredevils, even if the players like Kohli would play in those, I mean, those don't matter. I mean, they can't compete with the Indian national team, right? Same is the situation. F-15 and F-16 are very old platforms. They are developed so much. US has developed them like systems, not like individual jets. I mean, to me, Rafales, J-10s or whatever the other countries have, they are just like toys. Like, I mean, if a Spanish club Barcelona with Messi in it plays with the national team of Spain, it is going to lose by 10-0. So Spanish national team is going to treat that club like a toy, right? Same is the situation here. I mean, one F-16 upgraded V or F-15EX can destroy one whole fleet of J-10 or a Rafale or a fleet of Typhoons. These jets don't even matter. They are very good jets, but they are at a very low level of their development. I mean, even if they have Meteor, PL-15s, even if Al Nassr club would have a Ronaldo, Cristiano Ronaldo, or a PSG would have Messi, but those don't matter. Plus, you are playing against a national team like Brazil or Argentina, right? Same is the story here. So once this skirmish started, Pakistanis have roasted the Indian 5 jets like chickens, and that's why I now call it Operation Tandoori instead of Operation Sinduri. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Have fun.